You get up and you don't have hands, I turn the light off.
7-inch circle?
7-inch circle on a piece of
Mesh? Wire mesh?
mesh. I don't know.
That's what it looked like.
Yeah, wire mesh, but I've never seen it like
Will the
that.
table be able to handle that?
I think the table can handle that.
Awesome.
We're about to find out, though. I've never cut wire mesh that small.
Oh, everyone's going to be excited beyond belief on this one.
This is a new one for
It's a newbie.
Fabrication. Just gotta get this thing to boot up. Something that I wish that you could do on my plasma. Maybe if Lucas is listening or watching, he might change this. Or maybe if somebody knows Lucas Propkov, they could relay this information to him. It'd be great if on my plasm you could do simple things like draw a rectangle, draw a circle, an ellipse, something of the sort. So that way you don't have to keep going back to your CAD computer and drawing it on whatever your AutoCAD software is. Instead, you could just have a basic function. Here, draw me a circle, 12 inches. And you'd cut it. You wouldn't have to go computer to computer. Just a suggestion.
But it wasn't the word people were talking about action on this stuff. It's the young bucks that worry.
Let's see here. Now we got to get Fusion 360. Something I've been really cool is Microsoft has been changing the backgrounds every couple of days, and I got flamingos right now.
How cute.
I like flamingos. I like animals, birds, aquatic species. Check these out. We made these yesterday. These are 100% infill ABS. These things are really freaking stout. I think they'll handle the 60 pounds that they're supposed to handle. I hope so, at least. I tried calling this dude to let him know if these were ready, but he hasn't returned my phone call yet. These took, all 4 of these took 19 and a half hours to print. But I'd say we've got the Creality figured out on ABS because not one hiccup. It just works.
Years, they lost the hardware.
What is that?
So the hard case, it's like the Himalayan.
Yeah.
They couldn't find the hardware.
Okay, let's see. Create, sketch. I need to come down here actually to my mouse settings because this thing is pointer speed is extremely slow. There we go. All right. So on this plane here, create us a circle, 7, enter.
It looks, you know, it looks good. I wouldn't know that was
Save that.
BMW and KTM.
Do what?
It's KTM 798.
Inch.
That's why I asked when I said who made it. It's somebody else.
Well, they've been making KTM.
I don't think I saved that to my flash
Hey,
drive.
do these center up on the rail? Do they flush to the inside of the rail?
I'm sorry?
Do they flush to the inside of the channel? Do they center to the channel? Do they flush to the end of the channel?
Inside.
Flush to the inside?
Flush to the inside. Yeah, I took my ID measurement from inside, making the ID of that hoop will be the ID of the channel.
But it flushes up with the
Inside.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yep, that's correct.
Oh shoot.
Hold down.
Yeah, I got you. Oh, don't worry. You don't have to worry about that.
Okay, let's go see what we can do here. Watch your giblets right there.
But if you would lay the ground,
Good.
yeah, don't worry about it. It's like right in the
Now
middle
that you're turning your ball.
on the shiny of the channel of the trailer. Or that was too.
Well, after it's a 7-inch disc.
Yes, 7-inch circle.
Yeah.
Yes.
Next.
Oh, here.
Okay.
We'll do that in a second.
That'll work. Then we're going to cut this on 45 amp. How thick is this? Probably 16 gauge roughly. Let's see here. Okay. I wonder
Okay. All right.
if I could. Put that right there. flight control off. As soon as I start cutting, I'm gonna tell you to go outside.
Understood.
I just want to make sure that this one fits here. Okay. All right. If you don't mind. All right. Let's see how we work here.
Get there, hey. Bump it my way.
I did it.
Yeah, the rest is crap. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, it's nice having a piece of equipment like that. I can just